Test Drive Tuesday. I got a 2020 F-150 XLT, guys. It's the Harry Robinson Extreme, or otherwise known as HRX, guys. This thing's jacked up, blacked out. It looks bad to the bone, dude. It's got the 3.5 EcoBoost, guys. When I say EcoBoost, don't think you lose power. Still got more power than any Dodge on the road, and that's a fact, guys. Come on in, let's go check the inside of this thing out, take it for a drive. All right, guys, we're on our test drive. Guys, this thing's just an XLT leather loaded. It's gonna have all your same options. You got the big touchscreen radio. You're gonna have your navigation, automatic start stop, guys. This thing looks good, it rides good. You don't have to do anything to this, guys. Look how big the back seat is, man. I mean, come on, dude. This thing is freaking sweet. You don't want another truck besides this one, I can guarantee you that. Come drive it, come check it out, guys. Come down to Harry Robinson Sallisaw Ford and take your test drive in this bad truck.